Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the controller and the host device. Get that out of the way first. Make sure the controller has at least 20% charge, or swap batteries if needed, because low power prevents stable pairing. Next, enable the host's Bluetooth or plug in a USB cable. Wired connections bypass pairing issues. Once done, put the controller into pairing mode by holding its sync button for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see a flashing LED when it's discoverable, which confirms readiness. You now move into pairing and driver steps because the host needs to recognize inputs correctly. On PC, open Bluetooth settings, find the controller name, and select Connect. Approve any PIN that appears. For consoles, use the Controller Add Device menu and follow prompts. Some consoles require a wired-first connection. Then install or update drivers or firmware using the manufacturer's app, since outdated firmware causes input drift. After installation, run the calibration tool to map sticks and triggers accurately for reliable gameplay. You finish by configuring, testing, and validating the controller's performance. Open the game or controller utility to assign buttons and save a profile. This prevents remapping in each game. Then test every axis, button, rumble motor, and gyro in a calibration or test app so you catch issues early. If something fails, reboot the host, repair the controller, or perform a controller reset. If Bluetooth remains flaky, connect via USB to isolate whether the problem is wireless versus device or driver related.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.